Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing fine and also you all have done your previous work. Today I am going to start chapter 4, multiplication. Okay. So what is multiplication? See, suppose there are 4 pencil boxes and there are 2 pencils in each pencil box. To get the total number of pencil, what we have to do? We have to add the number of pencils in all these 4 pencil boxes. Okay, so here 2 pencils, 2 pencils, 2 pencils. So we have to add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 4, 6, 8. What we have done? We have repeatedly added 2 in 4 times. This is called multiplication. So what is multiplication? Repeated addition. Okay. So for this repeated addition, it will take a long time. So we can use multiplication table. Okay. Here we can use the multiplication table of 2. 2 you added in 4 times. So 2 multiplied by 4. 2 4s are 8. From the multiplication table you got 2 4s are 8. Children, we have already learned the multiplication tables 1 to 9. Okay. I hope you have written the multiplication tables in your fair notebook and also you have learned by heart. If you have not learned, you cannot solve the exercise of this chapter. Okay. So it is very important to learn the multiplication tables 1 to 9. Okay. Now we can start some exercise. Let's do some exercise from your book. First we will start from multiplication of single digit numbers. Okay. In page number 65. We will do D and E. Okay. The question 6 multiplied by 8. You already know 6 at the ones place, 8 at the ones place. And you know 6 it is multiplicand and 8 multiplier and the answer is the product. Here 6 multiplied by 8. So we can use the table of 8. Remember the table of 8. Learn the table by heart. See, from the table, here table I have written from the table 8 ones are 8. It starts from 8 ones are 8 and see, here we can use this statement. 8 multiplied by 6 is equal to 48. So write 48 in 48, 8 at the ones place and 4 at the tens place. Now let's solve E. 4 multiplied by 7. So 4 multiplied by 7, here 7 is the multiplier. So we can use the table of 7. Remember the table of 7. Okay. 4 multiplied by 7. From the table I got, see, 7 4. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. So you can write 28. Okay. This is a single digit multiplication. So in the single digit multiplication, you will get the answer directly from the multiplication table. Okay. So learn the multiplication table by heart and you will get the answer. Now let's solve the next exercise. The topic is multiplication of 2 and 3 digit numbers by a single digit number without carry. Okay, it is in the page number 66. We will solve question number 2, 3 and 7. First question. 44 multiplied by 2. You know In 44, 4 at the ones place and this 4 at the tens place, multiplied by 2 at the ones place. Here which one is the multiplier? 2. 44 is multiplied by 2. So we can use the table of 2. Remember the table of 2. Okay? Now we can start the multiplication. Always remember, multiplication will start from right side and it will goes to left. Okay, so multiplication will start from ones place and it will goes to left. Now we can start. 2 multiplied by the digit at the ones place. Digit at the ones place is 4. 2 multiplied by 4. 2 fours are. 2 fours are. From the table you got 2 fours are. What you got? 8. You can write at the ones place 8. Now again second, 2 multiplied by the digit at the tens place. This way. So 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to, we already got from the table, 2 fours are 8. So we got the answer 88. 44 multiplied by 2 is equal to 88. 8 at the ones place and this 8 at the tens place. Now let's solve question number 3. 72 multiplied by 3. As you already know, 72 in 72 2 at the ones place and 7 at the tens place and 3 at the ones place. We can start from the multiplier. Here 72 multiplied by 3, so we can use the table of 3. Remember the table of 3. Now start from the ones place. 3 multiplied by the digit at the ones place means 3 multiplied by 2. 3 twos are from the table. See the table? You have already learned the table. From the table we got 3 twos are 6. Now second, 3 multiplied by the digit at the tens place. 3 7. 3 sevens are. From the table we got 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. So we can write 21 over here. So from the multiplication table of 3, we have used two statements. 3 twos are 6 and 3 sevens are 21. And we got the answer 260. 6 at the ones place, 1 at the tens place and 2 at the hundred place. Now let's solve this seventh one. 201 multiplied by 4. This is a 3-digit number. 3-digit number is very similar to 2-digit number. Now 201 is multiplied by 4. So 4 is the multiplier. So we can use the table of 4. Remember the table of 4. So start the multiplication. First 4 multiplied by the digit at the ones place. 4 multiplied by 1. 4 ones are 4. And always you have to remember, any number multiplied by 1 is equal to the number itself. So 4 ones are 4. You can write at the ones place. Now, secondly, 4 multiplied by the digit at the tens place. 0. 4 multiplied by 0. 4 zeros are, any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So 4 zeros are 0. You can write 0 at the tens place. Now, third step. 4 multiplied by digit at the hundred place. 4 multiplied by 2. 4 twos are, from the multiplication table we got 4 twos are 8. So you can write 8 over here. So we got the answer 804. In 804 you already know 4 at the ones place, 0 at the tens place and 800 place. Okay. Now let's start the next topic. It is very important. Okay. Multiplication of 3 and 12 three-digit numbers by a single digit with carrying. It is in the page number 68. We can solve 3 questions. Question number 3, 30 and 70. Okay. Now let's start. Question number 3. 46 multiplied by 2. In 46, you know 6 at the ones place and 4 at the tens place multiplied by 2 at the ones place. We can start from, as you already know, we will start from the ones place. 2 multiplied by 6. So 2 is the multiplier, so we can use the multiplication table of 2. From the table we got 2 6 are 12. How will I write 12? Because in 12 there are 2 digits. I can write only 1 digit in the ones place. Okay. So in 12 we already know 2 at the ones place and 1 at the tens place. So we can write 2 in the ones place. And what about this one? It carried over to tens place. Just like addition, we do the carryover in the multiplication also. Okay. Now the first step is over. Now 2 multiplied by the digit at the 4. 2 4s are. From the multiplication table you got 2 4s are 8. Can I write 8 over here? No. Before writing, I have to add carry 1 to 8. So 8 plus 1, 9. So we got the answer 92. 2 at the ones place and 9 at the tens place. Always remember, after the multiplication we have to add the carry. Okay. Now let's solve question number 30. 17 multiplied by 5. As you already know, 7 at the ones place, 1 tens place and 5 at the ones place. Here you know 17 multiplied by the 5 and here the multiplier is 5. So we will use the table of 5. Remember the table of 5. Now start the multiplication. 5 multiplied by the digit at the ones place. 5 multiplied by 7. 5 sevens are. From the multiplication table, we got 5 sevens are, what you got? 35. The same way you got 35. But how will you write 35? Only 1 digit only we have to write. So 5 you write. And 3 carried over to tens place. Okay. Now we can start the second step. 3 5 multiplied by the digit at the tens place. 5 ones are 5. From the table we got 5 ones are 5. And 5 and add 3 to 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you got the answer 85. Now let's solve 17. 141 multiplied by 4. This is a 3-digit number. It is very similar to 2-digit number. Here multiplier is 4. So we have to use the table of 4, multiplication table of 4. So we can start the multiplication from the ones place. 4 multiplied by 1. 4 ones are, from the table you got 4 ones are 4. Okay. Now second, 4 multiplied multiplied by the digit at the 10th place. 4 fours are from the table you got. 4 fours are 60. It is 16. How will you write 16 over here? We can write only one digit. So we have to write 6 and 1 carried over to 100 place. Now third step, 4 multiplied by the digit at the 100 place. 4 ones are 4. And can you write 4? No, add 1 to 4. So added 1, got 5. 564. So 4 at the ones place, 6 at the 100 place and 5 at the ones place. 5 at the 100 place. Okay children, so you have to practice the carried over multiplication. Okay, it is very important and everybody have to learn the multiplication table by heart. Let's start next topic, story sums. Story sums in page number 71. So before starting the story sum, I will give one keyword for the multiplication. I will clue one. First you have to read the question neatly. And if you find that in the question, detail of one is given and asked for many, then you can do multiplication. Let's see the first question. I will read the first question. In page number 71, there are 15 clones. Each clone has 4 hats. How many hats are there? Did you find the keyword in this question? Each clone has 4 hats, means each clone means 1. So, detail of 1 is given and how many hats are there? Asked for many. What you have to do? Multiplication. Okay. First you have to write the statement of the question. For that, how many numbers have given? 50 and 4. So what is 50? Number of clones is equal to 50. And the number of hats in a clone is equal to 4. And you have to calculate total number of hats. Okay, now 50 multiplied by 4. In 15 you know 5 at the ones place and 1 at the tens place and 4 at the ones place. Okay, we can start the multiplication and remember the multiplication table of 4. First we will start from the ones place. 4 multiplied by 5. 4 5s are from the multiplication table you got 4 5s are 20. So we cannot write 20, so you have to write 0 at the ones place and 2 carried over to tens place. Now 4 multiplied by the digit at the tens place, 4 ones are 4 and add 2, 4 plus 2, 6, 60. So total number of hats is equal to 60. Okay. Second, I will read the question. There are 12 children. Each child has 2 ice creams. How many ice creams are there altogether? Did you find the keyword in this question? Each child means 1 child. So, detail of 1 is given and asked for many. What you have to do? Multiplication. Before that, you have to write statements. 2 numbers are given in the question, 12 and 2. So, what is 12? Number of children is equal to 12. And 2 number of ice creams, 1 child has equal to 2. And what you have to find? Total number of ice creams. Okay. So write the solution. and TO 12 multiplied by 2. Remember the table of 2. 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4. Now 2 multiplied by, this is at the tens place, 2 1s are 2. You got the answer 24. So what is 24? Total number of ice creams. Ice cream is equal to 24. Okay, third. I will read the question. 48 mangoes have been packed in one basket. Find the total number of mangoes in 10 such baskets. Have you find the keyword in this question? See, 48 mangoes have been packed in one basket. Detail of one is given. And you have to find many. Ask for many. Okay. So, first of all, you have to write the statements. So, how many numbers are given in the question? Two numbers, 48 and 10. So, what is 48? Number of mangoes in one basket is equal to 48. And the number of basket is equal to 10. And what you have to find? You have to find the total number of mangoes. So, what you have to do? 48 multiplied by 10. You always remember, if you want to multiply 10 by any number, just you write the number and you write 1 0 right to that number. Okay, so you write 48 and just write 0 to the right side. So you got the answer 480. So what is 480? It is total number of mangoes. Is equal to 480. Okay, children. So the explanation part of the story sum is over. So from the chapter you always have to remember some facts about the multiplication. First one, any number multiplied by 1 is equal to the number itself. For example, 5 ones are 5. Second one, any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. For example, 6 zeros are 0. And the third fact you have learned, any number multiplied by 10. If you want to multiply 10 by any number, just you write the number and you write 0 to the right of that number. Okay, just now we have done 48 multiplied by 10 is equal to, just you write 48 and put 0 to the right of that number. 480 we got. Okay. Okay, children, the explanation part of the multiplication is over. Take care, stay safe. Thank you.